The best partnerships aren't just about money, they're about shared conviction. That quote keeps running through my head when I look at what just happened between Nvidia and CoreWeave. So here's the deal. Nvidia just dropped $2 billion on CoreWeave stock. Not as a loan, not as, some complicated financial instrument, straight up equity investment in Class A common shares. And honestly, this is exactly the kind of news that gets me excited about a company. Quick disclaimer before we dive in, this isn't financial advice, just my personal opinion and research, so always do your own due diligence. All right, let's get into it. Think about it for a second. Jensen Huang, the guy who basically architected the AI revolution from the hardware side, looked at all the cloud providers out there, the hyperscalers, the established players, everyone, and decided to write a massive check to CoreWeave, a company that went public less than a year ago with their IPO back in March. That's not something you do casually. In his own words, he called out CoreWeave's unmatched execution velocity and their deep AI factory expertise. Coming from Jensen, that's not PR fluff. The man is known for being brutally direct, sometimes uncomfortably so if you've ever watched him in interviews. When he says a company moves faster than anyone else in the industry, that actually means something. And I think that's what makes this news so compelling. It's not just capital, it's a stamp of approval from the most important player in the AI hardware space. That kind of validation is rare. Now let me back up for a second because I think it's important to understand why I find CoreWeave so interesting in the first place. They're not just another cloud company trying to rent out servers to whoever walks through the door. They've built what the industry calls AI factories, massive data center operations specifically optimized for artificial intelligence workloads. What does that actually mean in practice? Well, traditional data centers are designed for general computing, web servers, databases, regular enterprise applications. AI workloads are completely different beasts. They need specialized GPU clusters networked together in very particular ways with cooling systems that can handle the insane heat these chips generate, and software stacks optimized for machine learning frameworks. CoreWeave has focused exclusively on this niche, and that focus is paying off. Here's where it gets really interesting. They announced plans to build out over 5 gigawatts of AI factory capacity by 2030. To put that in perspective, that's enough power to run a small country. 5 gigawatts is roughly the electricity consumption of about 3.7 million homes. That's not a typo. These AI models we're all using every day, ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, all of them, they require absolutely insane amounts of compute power. Training a frontier model can cost hundreds of millions of dollars just in compute. And CoreWeave is essentially building the physical infrastructure to make the next generation of AI possible. What Nvidia is doing with this investment tells me they believe CoreWeave is the partner to bet on for this build-out. $2 billion says we're all in on this team. But here's the part that really caught my attention, the technical integration side of this partnership. CoreWeave is getting early access to Nvidia's upcoming Rubin platform, the Vera CPUs, and the BlueField storage systems. If you follow semiconductor news at all, you know these are Nvidia's next-generation products that aren't even widely available yet. We're talking about chips that won't be in most data centers for another year or more. CoreWeave gets to be the testing ground, essentially. They'll be deploying this hardware before almost anyone else, which gives them a significant head start in understanding how to optimize for these new architectures. And Nvidia isn't just handing them hardware, they're working to integrate CoreWeave's software stack into Nvidia's reference architectures. That means when Nvidia goes to other cloud partners and enterprise customers and says, here's how you should build your AI infrastructure, CoreWeave's solutions could be baked right into that recommendation. That's incredibly powerful positioning, and honestly, one of the things that makes me most optimistic here. I remember when AWS had this kind of relationship with Intel back in the day, and look what that did for both companies. Obviously, different era, different technology, but the pattern of deep strategic partnership between a chip maker and a cloud provider creating mutual advantages, that playbook has worked before. The question is whether CoreWeave can execute on this opportunity at the scale they're promising. And speaking of execution, they're backlog numbers are pretty remarkable. They've reported over $55 billion in contracted revenue, which essentially doubled in Q3 2025 alone. According to analyst projections, management expects around $12 billion in revenue for 2026, which would represent massive growth from their current run rate of roughly $5.5 billion annualized. That kind of visibility into future revenue is something most growth companies would kill for. Now, I gotta be real about the risks too, because nothing is a sure thing. First, this $2 billion investment came with dilution. Nvidia bought newly issued shares, which means existing shareholders now own a slightly smaller piece of the pie. That's the trade-off for getting this kind of strategic capital. You're giving up ownership to bring in a powerful partner. Second, analysts have pointed out that CoreWeave likely faces an $8 to $10 billion funding gap to actually complete this 5 gigawatt build-out they've announced. That's a lot of money they still need to raise, which probably means more equity issuances or debt in the future, more dilution, more leverage, more financial risk. And third, there's execution risk. Building out 5 gigawatts of data center capacity is monumentally complex. Securing land in the right locations, negotiating power contracts with utilities, managing construction at scale, deploying cutting-edge hardware that's in short supply globally. Any of these things can go wrong. CoreWeave has never operated at this scale before. They have a strong track record so far, but the jump from where they are now to 5 gigawatts is enormous. That said, if any team can pull it off, the Nvidia partnership suggests they've got the right backing to do it. What makes me genuinely optimistic about CoreWeave, and I want to be clear this is my personal take, is that everything seems to be lining up for them. The structural demand for AI compute isn't going away anytime soon. Every major tech company, every enterprise trying to implement AI, every startup with machine learning ambitions needs access to this kind of infrastructure. The hyperscalers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud are all capacity constrained and often prioritize their own internal AI projects over external customers. That creates a real opportunity for a specialized player like CoreWeave to capture overflow demand and serve customers who want dedicated optimized AI infrastructure without the wait times. The Nvidia investment validates that CoreWeave has something special in terms of how they deploy and operate these systems. The risks are real: dilution, funding needs, execution challenges. But if CoreWeave manages to navigate those, I think the growth trajectory here could be pretty remarkable. The market's obsessed with AI infrastructure right now, and CoreWeave is positioning itself right at the center of that build-out. This isn't financial advice. Everything here is based on my own opinion and research, so please do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. Anyway, I'm genuinely curious what you all think about this one. Drop a comment below and let me know what stock you'd like me to analyze next. Always looking for interesting companies to dig into.